Hidden beneath years of dust and neglect, this forgotten Ferrari looked beyond saving. Most people would have walked away, but this was only the beginning. As the old cover was pulled away, the legendary Ferrari badge slowly appeared. Even under layers of dirt, its iconic design was impossible to hide. The inspection revealed cracked panels, faded paint, and years of damage. Restoring this supercar would take skill, patience, and determination. The first step was a deep pressure wash. Years of dirt and grime disappeared, revealing the true shape of this incredible machine. The wheels had collected years of brake dust and mud. Careful detailing slowly brought back their original shine.
Watch the edge by the headlight mount, still some pitting there.
Opened, exposing
All
the
right,
heart
I see it. Let me
Ferrari.
grab the detail tool.
Dust covered every component, but there was still hope. The engine was completely disassembled. Every worn-out part was inspected, repaired or replaced with precision. Rust had begun attacking the body. Every damaged section had to be cleaned before the real transformation could begin. Hours of sanding removed old paint and imperfections, creating the perfect surface for a brand new finish. Inside the paint booth, the Ferrari received a flawless iconic Rosso Corsa paint was applied. Its legendary Ferrari slowly came back to life. Professional polishing created a mirror-like finish. Every reflection showed just how far this restoration had come. Inside the cabin, worn leather and faded trim were replaced with luxurious new materials, making the interior feel factory fresh. After weeks of hard work, the moment finally arrived. The key was turned, and the Ferrari roared back to life. The completed Ferrari looked absolutely stunning. It was almost impossible to believe this was the same abandoned car. The first road test proved everything had been worth it. Smooth handling, incredible acceleration, and the unmistakable Ferrari sound returned. With the mountains in the background, the restored Ferrari finally looked like the masterpiece it was always meant to be. As the sun began to set, the Ferrari carved through winding roads with confidence and breathtaking style. Every acceleration produced an unforgettable roar, while flashes from the exhaust reminded everyone of the power hiding beneath the hood. Inside the tunnel, the engine echoed from wall to wall, creating one of the most satisfying sounds any car enthusiast could hear. From the driver's seat, every shift, every corner, and every second felt like pure adrenaline. On the open runway, the Ferrari unleashed its full performance, climbing effortlessly toward incredible speeds. Power is nothing without control. Massive carbon ceramic brakes brought the Ferrari to a perfect stop with complete confidence. Parked beside a peaceful lake, the Ferrari reflected its flawless finish like a moving piece of art. As night fell, city lights danced across the glossy red paint, turning every street into a luxury showcase. Even heavy rain couldn't hide its beauty. Water flowed across every curve while the Ferrari remained perfectly composed. One final high-speed pass reminded everyone why Ferrari has remained one of the greatest names in automotive history. A cinematic drone shot captured every angle of the restored masterpiece, highlighting every detail created through countless hours of work. Standing proudly in front of a luxury mansion, the Ferrari represented more than speed. It represented passion, craftsmanship, and dedication. From an abandoned shell to an automotive masterpiece, this Ferrari proved that true legends never die. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Turbo Wheels for more incredible restorations and the world's most amazing cars.